Hey there, I'm Andrea Olson with Tiny Undies, and these are one of my newest products, Tiny Boxers. Oh, they're so cute, aren't they? These are, as far as I know, the first gender-neutral boxer briefs. So you can use them with boys and girls because the center pocket area here is actually just flat. So instead of having a pouch here, we've got it flat. So you can use these on a girl and they don't look weird and bulgy, and you can use them on a boy and they hold in the parts just fine. There is a double layer here. It's not absorbent. It's just a little extra cushion there in the middle. And then the back is fairly plain. We've got 100% OEKO-TEX certified cotton, which is not organic, but it has stricter standards than that. And tagless, just like all of our other products. We've got a lot more room, so if you've got a really chunky baby and our tiny undies are too tight around the thighs, you have a lot more room with these boxers. This is size 6 months. They come in 6 months to 5T. And they only come in 4 colors right now. They come in turquoise, fig green, natural undyed, and actually this is aqua blue, and chalkboard gray. So this is, let's see, is this the biggest size? This is a 4T, so you can kind of see how much bigger they are than the 6 months. See? And again, use them across multiple babies. They're gender neutral, no commercialized prints, nothing. I think you'll really, really love them. They don't have one of those elasticized waistbands like some of the boxer briefs for babies do, and all of those come in sizes 2T and up, so ours come in 6 months and up. Why would you need 6-month underwear, you ask? Well, if you're doing elimination communication, and if you're not, you can get my book and learn how to do that. But this, you can use this instead of a diaper for a couple of minutes or hours a day, and that will help your baby have diaper-free time where they can roll around and be mobile without that diaper bulge in between their legs, which inhibits mobility, per scientific studies. So these are tiny boxers. I hope you love them. You can get them in 3 packs and all the way up to 5T. They are so good I have a really chunky 2-year-old right now, and they fit her better than anything. So I hope you love them. Tiny boxers.